The hypotenuse of a right triangle lies on the line y equals 3x plus 2. Two vertices of the triangle are 2, 8, and negative 4, 2. Find the coordinates of the third vertex. So first thing I want to do is to kind of draw yourself a picture to kind of visualize what is happening. So y equals 3x minus 2, I can graph like this right here, where 2 is going to be your y-intercept, and then 3 is going to be your slope, so up 3 over 1. And so we have this line drawn right here. This is the hypotenuse, and then we're also told points 2, 8, and then points negative 4, 2. So I'm going to plot those. Point 2, 8 is going to be right here at point A. Negative 4, 2 is here at point C. We're trying to find point B. Now, the thought process that we want to use is the fact that we know this is a right triangle. So if we can show the equation of this line CB and find where it intersects with this segment or this line A, then I can find point B. So to find this equation, what I need to do is first I can use information given about points A and point C. Okay, I can find the slope of this line, and then because CB is going to be perpendicular, it's going to be a 90-degree angle, the slope of that line is going to be a negative reciprocal of whatever the slope is of AC. So to find the slope of AC, I subtract the two y values. I'm going to get 6, and then subtract the two x values. 2 minus negative 4, I'm going to get 6. So my slope of AC is going to be 1. So that means the slope of CB is going to be the negative reciprocal of 1. So it's going to be a negative 1, or negative 1 over 1. So to find the equation of that line CB, I can use the fact that the slope is going to be equal to negative A over B. So that's what I have right here. So that means A would have to be 1, B would have to be also 1. So that is my coefficients that goes with the x and the y terms. So if A is 1, B is 1, it's going to be 1x plus 1y. And then to find the c term, I can just plug in the point negative 4, 2 into the equation, into x and into y. So I have 1 times x, or 1 times negative 4, and then plus 1 times, it's going to be 2. So 1 times negative 4 plus 2 is going to be negative 2. So x plus y equals negative 2. So I can just kind of leave it like that actually, because my goal is to now, once I found this equation here, I can then set it equal, or I guess I can find where it intersects with y equals 3x plus 2. So to do that, the easiest way is probably to use substitution method, where I can plug in place of y, I'm going to put a 3x plus 2. So here, instead of x plus y equals negative 2, in place of the y, I'm going to put in that 3x plus 2. So I'm going to get x plus 3x plus 2 equals negative 2, which will then simplify. And up here I have 4x plus 2 equals negative 2. So 4x would be negative 4, x would be negative 1. And then to find the y part of that coordinate, I can just plug negative 1 in for x into the equation. It doesn't matter which equation I use. I chose to plug it into y equals 3x plus 2. So in place of x, I'm going to put in negative 1. And so I'm going to have y equals 3 times the negative 1 plus 2, which will give me then a negative 1 for y. So my coordinate would be x equals negative 1, and then y would also be negative 1.